Welcome to my channel. Enjoy. Banana avocado milkshake. Let's make a delicious banana avocado milkshake at home very simple way. To make delicious smoothie, we need banana and avocado, and we will cut the banana. Cut into small pieces. Now we cut avocado. Put both banana and avocado in grinder. Add milk. Add sugar. Grind it well. Put in jar. Ready for drink. Now we garnish and drink. Delicious and easy to make banana and avocado milkshake. Make and drink healthy drinks. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.